Power of my presence will bring you to your knees, and I will lift you up again, for I'm the God who sees. Who sees.
And then, from the line of David, finally, Jesus, the Messiah, the Anointed One, Yeshua, the Christ, born the same house of bread, to be bread of life in the town of Bethlehem.
Kaya maalala si Joy, kami magka-meron kasi sa aming pintuan na mag-play ko raw siya. Para siya mamamatay na.
Ganun nga. Marami nga rin siyang
God is,
message sa
and He would heal and He would reveal. And then He had the woman named Mary of Magdala, who was plagued by demons, tormented by evil spirits, and Jesus.
Tapos malaman ko na sa Bicol na
hindi nila kasi ito yan.
At his feet, she served him, and she loved him. Oh,
ano yung sa
Ngayon,
but then she
kaya
watched
tapusin ko lang to.
as they laid